The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla! Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I have a video that I'm going to present to you, and this video is out on social media. And according to some things that have been said on social media about the video that I'm about to present to you, it is said that the video shows a person who had been arrested by the police within the country of Jamaica because he was not wearing a mask in public. It is said that this incident happened at a place that is known as Halfway Tree, which is the capital of the parish that is known as St. Andrew, that is within the country that is known as Jamaica. See it? Now, I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly when this incident happened. Alright? Many comments have been made on social media about the video that I am about to present to you. Some of those comments gave me the understanding that some persons said that the person refused from wearing a mask. Some of those comments gave me the understanding that some persons said that the person was being stubborn, right? And some of those comments gave me the understanding that some persons said that the police officer was just doing his job, right? There are also comments that have been made on social media about the video that also gave me the understanding that some persons said that the person was resisting arrest. Alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present this video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself, and you can also let me know what you think about this video that is out on social media. This video is going to show a hostile confrontation between a police officer and a person. Alright? So viewers and subscribers, as I am about to present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Man, I fight the police. The police say go down road, you might go up road. Down the road if you come, down the road. You turn up a dig for. Come down the road. You can't do officer nothing either. It's against the law. Yeah. It's against the law. You still follow the man? And bam to your boy. Move myself. It's against the law. You have in a mask. Why resisting? Why resisting the officer, sir? Why resisting the officer? Go give me, go give me, go give me, go give me. Take him out, see a master. See a master, man, again. See man, I give a master, man. Where the mask, man? Hey, put on the mask, man. Put on the mask, the fireman, man. Hey, where the mask, man? Don't too stubborn, man. Put on the mask, man. Rasta man, put on the mask, no Rasta man, man. Put on the mask, no problem, put on the mask. Can't resist the officer, man. Put on the mask, man. Put on the mask, the fireman, man. Don't make things difficult, so man. Put on the mask, man. Well, I make it take up your shoes. Take up your shoes there. Give me your shoes, liar. Put on the mask, man. I make everything alright, man.
Rasta man.
Put on the mask, Rasta man. Rasta man. Rasta man. Put on the mask, Rasta man. Yes, yeah.
Go in the vehicle.
Go in the vehicle, Rasta. Rasta man, put on the mask, man. Please and thanks, man.
Put on the mask. Go in the vehicle.
Put on the mask, the fireman, man. Oh, we are begging you to put on the mask here now. Put on the mask, so.
Go in the vehicle.
Rasta, you waste time, man. Put on the mask. Put on the mask, fireman, man. Put on the mask, the fireman, man. Put on the mask now, man. Put on the mask, the fireman, man. Fireman, put on the mask. We are begging you to put on the mask here now. Put on the mask. Officer, this man can't have no mask here, sir. This man have no mask. So officer, arrest him. Yeah. I'm stubborn. The stubborn officer, man, you know. Man a give have no mask and man a give mask. I don't want none. Put on the mask, Rasta. Put on the mask. Put on the mask, the fireman, man. Sarge, let him go. Sarge say nah, let her go, no brother. If you don't put on the mask, man, let her go. Hey, put on the mask, man. Put on the mask and make the man let her go, no brother.
You can't sit in here, so you can't sit in the
That don't say. Yeah, put on the mask and give her a chance, man.
You're mad, man? Yeah.
Oh, you know, say you're mad.
Yeah? That's your problem, then.
Put on the mask, Rasta man. They just a stiff up, so put on the mask, man. Lord God, man.
Yeah, you might shoot him.
Nah, shoot him, man. Put on the mask, man. Rasta, put on the mask. Rasta, put on the mask. Put on the mask, no, man. Just put on the mask and make the man let you go, no, man. Hey, put on your mask and make the man let you go, no, fireman, man. Hey, it's difficult, so brother. Put on the mask. Put on the mask and make the man let you go. Because if you have your mask in a public place. That's what him say. Because you not put on your mask in a public place. Put your on, man. Put your on, man. Put you on the mask, the fireman, man. You refuse to put on the mask, but that man now let you go.
We're gonna put it in the vehicle. Alright? We're going to carry the vehicle and arrest and charge you. For what? For what? Yeah. You think I'm a stop record?
Rasta man that's so bad though. Man say nah put on no mask.
You decide that, yeah?
Put on the mask. The boss you have to start lock you up in the car. What? You refuse to put on the mask. So you have to start lock you up. I'm sure you know you don't really want to get locked up. Put on the mask, brother. Yo, you got jail, brother. Put your mask, put on your mask, brother. You there? That nice long to us.
Viewers and subscribers, according to some things that I saw and heard in the video that I just presented to you, I get the understanding that a person shown in the video refused from wearing a mask. You see? And according to some things that have been said on social media about the video and the incident, it is said that a person had been arrested by the police within the country of Jamaica because he was not wearing a mask in public. Viewers and subscribers, I'm going to say some things, and I'm saying these things out of the best of concern, and I'm not saying these things as no disrespect towards anyone, you see? Please wear a mask, you understand? Please wear a mask, especially when you're out in public. Please wear a mask to protect yourself and others from the COVID-19. You see me? Because of the COVID-19, many persons worldwide are being asked to wear a mask to protect themselves and others from the COVID-19. Again, I'm not saying these things out of any disrespect to anyone. I am saying these things out of the best of concern and trying to give the best advice that I can. You see what I say? You see it? So wear your mask. You see it? Wear your mask. Alright, viewers and subscribers, I just presented to you a video that's out on social media where it is said that the video shows a person who had been arrested by the police within the country of Jamaica because he was not wearing a mask in public, and other things have been said about this video on social media as well. Alright, you can let me know what you think about this video that I just presented to you. Alright, and I want to say big up and respect to each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright, wash your hands and do the necessary precautions to protect yourself and others from the COVID-19. You see it? Again, wear a mask, especially when you're out in public. Alright, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.